10-year Treasury futures skyrocket today with news of escalating events in Hong Kong. Also, yesterday's stunning defeat of the sitting Argentina president in the presidential primaries. Doesn't bode well for October. The move was definitely, to some, exaggerated to some extent, seeing a lot of holidays, especially in Japan, Singapore, Thailand, and Malaysia. With that said, overnight volumes were kind of muted, only trading about 25% of the 10-day moving average. And also, 10-year treasuries only took a 26% of that 10-day moving average. So kind of a muted overnight session, leading to a pretty gigantic move at the opening and basically trading in a small range after that. Right now, technicals are really coming into focus. Looking at resistance levels, I haven't seen more consensus on that in a long time. It seems that the that low yield of 1.593 is now turning into the immediate futures resistance point. Next to that, the intraday 2016 low yield of 1.534, followed by the all-time yield low of 1.318. When it comes to support, not as much consensus on that. There is a very large volume bulge at 205, followed by a local peak of 2.148, followed by a gap opening of 2.19 to 2.21. It's amazing that when it comes to resistance in the futures levels, a lot more consensus, it gets a lot more unclear on the support side of the futures. That said, people continue to monitor today's risk-off environment with the stock market being down. Definitely seeing a flight to safety in the tens, although traders are well aware that with the amount of holiday and banks that were off overnight, that it could be a whole different story coming into tomorrow's trading session.